Cub Cadet introduces powerful new EFI engines to their XT Enduro Series lineup, an innovation to the lawn tractor category. Cub Cadet EFI engines are built with the premium quality and strength you would expect from Cub. EFI, or electronic fuel injection, is a high-pressure fuel management system that delivers exactly the right amount of fuel to get the best performance out of your engine. Professional-grade fuel injection technology enables your Cub to efficiently operate with lower fuel consumption, which means fewer fill-ups, lower maintenance costs, simple and dependable push-button start, easy off-season storage, so it'll start in all weather conditions, and up to 15% gasoline-ethanol fuel blends. EFI engines are backed by the strongest warranty in the business and Cub certified. That means they are put to the test through a rigorous certification process to ensure they're built to the Cub Cadet standard of strength, high performance, and premium quality. See your local Cub Cadet retailer for more details.